Today, I'm going to show you how to make my version of rajas con papas. Simple, delicious, basically chile poblano, chile güero, potatoes, garlic, and onion. Simple, delicious. We're going to start by heating up, about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We're going to add a little piece of onion so we know when the oil is nice and hot. I love rajas con papas. Okay, our oil is hot now. We're gonna start by adding our potatoes. Let's coat them with that nice hot oil. Once they're nicely coated, we're gonna add our onion. Our garlic. And we're going to coat all this and mix it together. Now we're going to add our sliced chile poblano. And our sliced chile güero. We're going to add salt. And a little bit of pepper. Lower the heat. And now we're gonna cover them and let them simmer for about 15 minutes. Or we're gonna come back and stir every few minutes to make sure they don't stick to the bottom of the pot. Our rajas and potatoes have been cooking for 15 minutes. And the potatoes are starting to get very nice and soft. So now we're gonna add some nice shaved cheese. I'm using manchego, but you can use ranchero or any other cheese that you like. And we're gonna cover it for another 5 minutes and let that wonderful cheese melt all over the potatoes and the rajas, and it's gonna be delicious. Delicious. I hope you enjoyed making rajas con papas with me today. If you like the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next week for another delicious recipe. Bye.